Secretary of the People's National Party, Dr. Dayton Campbell, has responded to questions raised by Member of Parliament Darrell Vaz regarding Mark Golding's citizenship. He was speaking at a political conference in Westmoreland at the weekend. More in this report.
General Secretary of the People's National Party, Dr. Dayton Campbell, fired back at Member of Parliament Darrell Vaz's questions on opposition leader Mark Golding's citizenship. This comes after Vaz, during his address at a recent political rally, demanded that the opposition leader update Jamaicans on his citizenship status. He demanded Golding show his birth certificate. But the GenSec announced that the PNP campaign does not revolve around citizenship or skin color, but on the plans the administration have for Jamaica. Some of the plans, he says, include road renovations and hospital improvements.
Them talking about Mark Golding this and Mark Golding that. If them think we are run election based on who born ya or who light versus who black, them make a sad mistake. We are run election based on how we are going to fix road, give people water, give people employment, cut poverty rate, fix hospital, and that we are run election on.
According to Dr. Campbell, Vaz obtained information regarding the stamps in Mark Golding's passport. He suggested Vaz also obtain Golding's birth certificate to ascertain information regarding his birthplace.
Oh, Darrell Vaz could have got check and find out when Mark Golding gets stamped in his passport. Then why him not go down a RGD and pull up Mark Golding birth certificate when shows him born at the University Hospital of the West Indies?
Dr. Campbell also criticized the government's reported 3.5% unemployment rate. His criticism suggests the data might be unrealistic.
How unemployment at 3% and KFC are giving $1,000 worth of chicken and the whole place pack up? They're running around saying that when we have 700,000 persons in the country who are of employment age, who not in a job and not looking for a job.
Daniela McLaughlin for CVM News.